Hey there, we are going to be working on a transfer task, and that's something that you're going to hear whenever we finish up a unit. We're going to be working on a transfer task as we go through world cultures and geography and social studies this year. So for this first unit, we're thinking like a geographer, and we want you to put yourself in the position of trying to recruit a high-tech company that's coming to have its headquarters in Frisco. So here we go. A high-tech company is thinking about locating its headquarters to Frisco, and they have hired you to use your geography skills to persuade the company that Frisco is the absolute best location for their headquarters. So your presentation is going to have to answer these questions. Where is Frisco located? Why is it located where it is? How does the community in Frisco interact? And then why is it such a great place to live? You're going to be creating a Google Slide presentation, and you'll find a lot of this information in your interactive notebook, which we have been working on over the past couple of weeks, including the Visit History Frisco discussion, 5 themes of geography, absolute and relative location. All of that is going to help you with this. So for the first part, you're thinking about the relative and absolute location of Frisco, Texas. You're going to think about some factors that explain why Frisco is where it is and what is so important about settling and living in this location. You need to include some examples of a map, graph, or chart. You need to explain how Frisco works with people, places, and environment, the relationship that it has, and come up with some really good persuasive reasons for moving to Frisco that include ESPN factors, which we just went over this week. So that, in a nutshell, is what you're going to be working on, and this is going to be a major grade, so please make sure that you ask questions if you're not clear about something. All right, you guys take care. Good luck.